Hello everybody, welcome to Passive Income Source channel. In this video I will talk about how to use Google Keyword Planner tool for free. You are targeting some specific keywords and you wanted to know more information about it in free way. Of course this video will help you how to use Google for free and how you can get a lot of valuable information about your target keyword, about your target traffic. I will talk in this video how to create your account to use Google Keyword Planner and how to use it and some hacks that you can get benefit if you do correctly. If you are interested in doing keyword research activities, stick with me and let us go deep into the topic. You will need to search Google Keyword Planner on Google search bar, and then you will come on this option where you can select, and Google will take you to this page where you can sign in or start if you haven't any Google account. So if you have Google account, you can put your email and your username on this page where you can Google take you to the next step, which is you come on this page where you see there is option is where you Google asks you to continue. If you say continue, it will force you to follow some steps Google already set up for you, which is a campaign. You need to set up a campaign which is not helpful for you. You can't use this tool for free. So to skip for that, you select this skip area where you can get you can use this tool for free. So if you say skip, you see this option or this page will come out where you can do some basic setup like country or other setup. So you will do that and say save and continue, where you can go to the next page where Google will allow you to get access into the tool for free and you will able to use it for free. So when you come, as you come on this page, you go to the setting area as you see, and then you select Keyword Planner. This is the area that you can control this tool and use it. You can do the keyword research activities. So you see this option is you can find keywords, you can also do forecasts, you can even look for some website. This is where you can control everything. That is how you can get access to Google Keyword Planner in a correct way. This page is the where you can use Keyword Planner. So as you come here, you see these two options where you can discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. So I will explain to you these two functionalities. As you come here, you can see some guide that Google gives you, and you can know how to use Keyword Planner. So also if you have keywords in your tool, also you can resume from here. You don't need even to start from scratch. You can resume the plan, and in that way every time you do something they save it for you. So let us go directly to this. So in this option also you can find first of all you can start with keywords. You put your keywords here and your domain or URL to know the new ideas. So in this option you can start with website or a page or a post or an article by putting your URL, so you can get new ideas by doing that. So let us search for keywords. So let me for example say how to make money. Let me search for this and get results. By coming on this page, you will see all of these results in front of you, and of course when you look for this keyword, how to make money online, you will get all of these ideas from, as you see, a bunch of ideas or long tail keywords, which will you will get enough ideas that you can target. Sometimes the volume, or if the high or low, it's mixed, but you can organize it, and I will show you how to do that. So anyway, these are options you can find on this screen. This is a volume, and this is the CPC, or the money. This is a competition, high or low, so you can control from here. If it is, you can click on this arrow, and then you'll see from low to high, and also you click on it again, and you see from high to low, so you can control it from there. It's a very easy tool to use, and also you can add filters from here by excluding some keywords or including some keywords. You can exclude areas, or you can add some keywords or names if you want. You can say the keyword in. I can, well, the keywords which contains the term in. So let me say apply, and let us see what will come out. So as you see, this in every keyword you include this term. From uh, this top bar, as you see, you can control the country. You can add which countries you are targeting. Maybe you are going to hit some specific countries, maybe Australia, China, wherever you want. I am now targeting these 11 countries. You can control and choose which countries you want by putting the name of that country. So that's the way you can edit the location, and also you can the language. If you really interested in which one of these languages you are looking for, you can also select, and also the network or the search network, Google and Google search partners, and also you can control the time period, or you can edit the time from here, like from 12 months, last month, last 24 months. That is what I have for you today. I've really detailed about how to use Google Keyword Planner tool for free, and how to get access into it, and some tricks that you can do. If you are interested in more details or more hacks about this topic, please check the video that will show up on the screen at the end of the video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell of the notification to follow the new updates of this channel. So thanks for watching. See you soon.